Urban gardening is flourishing. In cities around the world, people are finding innovative ways to bring nature back into their lives. From towering skyscrapers to small apartments, green spaces are sprouting up in the most unexpected places. People are transforming balconies, rooftops, and even windowsills into green havens. These urban gardeners are not just growing plants, they are cultivating a sense of community and well-being. The sight of lush greenery amidst concrete jungles is a testament to human ingenuity and our innate connection to nature. But what about those with limited space? Even in the smallest of apartments, there are creative solutions to bring a touch of green into your home. Vertical gardens, hanging planters, and compact indoor gardens are just a few ways to maximize space and still enjoy the benefits of gardening. Plastic bottles, often discarded, can be repurposed into incredible gardens. This simple yet effective method not only helps in reducing plastic waste, but also provides a cost-effective way to start your own garden. With a little creativity, these bottles can be transformed into beautiful and functional planters. This innovative approach not only provides fresh produce but also tackles plastic waste. Imagine harvesting your own vegetables and herbs right from your balcony or kitchen window. It's a rewarding experience that promotes sustainability and self-sufficiency. Let's explore how you can turn trash into treasure, one bottle at a time. With a few simple steps, you can create a thriving garden that not only beautifies your space but also contributes to a healthier environment. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to creating your own urban oasis. From selecting the right bottles and plants to setting up your garden and maintaining it, we will walk you through the entire process. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, you'll find valuable tips and insights to help you succeed. We will cover everything from choosing the right plants to maintaining your bottle garden. Learn which plants thrive best in bottle planters, how to ensure they get the right amount of sunlight and water, and how to keep your garden healthy and vibrant all year round. Get ready to embark on a rewarding journey of sustainable gardening and witness the magic of transforming your space, one bottle at a time. By the end of this guide, you'll not only have a beautiful garden but also a deeper appreciation for the impact of small, sustainable actions. Let's get started and make our cities greener, one bottle garden at a time. Before we begin, let's gather our gardening essentials. Surprisingly, most of the materials are readily available at home. First and foremost, we need plastic bottles. Various sizes work well, allowing for diverse planting options. Next, good quality soil is crucial for healthy plant growth. Ensure it's well draining to prevent waterlogging. Seeds or seedlings of your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers are essential. Choose varieties suitable for container gardening. Sharp scissors or a utility knife will be needed to cut and shape the bottles. Optionally, gather paint and brushes to decorate your planters. Transforming plastic bottles into planters is remarkably simple. With just a few basic tools and a bit of creativity, you can turn everyday waste into a thriving garden. This not only helps reduce plastic waste, but also provides a unique and customizable way to grow your favorite plants. For vertical gardens, cut the bottles in half. This method is particularly space efficient, making it perfect for small balconies or limited outdoor areas. By utilizing vertical space, you can grow a variety of plants without needing a large footprint. Ensure drainage holes at the bottom. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging and to keep your plants healthy. You can use a heated needle or a small drill to make these holes. Stack these halves, securing them with string or wire. This creates a sturdy structure that can support the weight of the soil and plants. You can adjust the height and arrangement to suit your space and aesthetic preferences. This method is ideal for strawberries, herbs, or leafy greens. These plants thrive in vertical planters as they don't require deep soil and can benefit from the efficient use of space. Horizontal planters are perfect for larger plants. They provide more soil volume and stability, making them suitable for plants with more extensive root systems. Cut a rectangular window on the side of the bottle, leaving a border for stability. This opening allows you to plant and tend to your plants easily while maintaining the structural integrity of the bottle. These planters accommodate vegetables like tomatoes or peppers. The horizontal orientation provides ample space for the roots to spread, ensuring healthy growth and abundant yields. Lastly, create hanging planters by cutting the top off bottles. Hanging planters are a great way to utilize overhead space and add a decorative element to your garden. Make holes for string, allowing you to suspend them from balconies or fences. This method is perfect for trailing plants or flowers, creating a beautiful cascading effect. Plus, It keeps your plants out of reach from pests and provides better air circulation. Want a garden that practically waters itself? Let's create a self-watering system using our trusty plastic bottles. Cut a bottle in half. The bottom half will serve as the water reservoir. In the top half, create a small hole near the neck. Thread a cotton wick through the hole, ensuring it reaches the bottom of the reservoir. Fill the reservoir with water. The wick will draw water upwards, providing a consistent moisture supply to your plants. Section 5. Selecting your urban crops. Choosing the right plants for your bottle garden. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a thriving bottle garden. The success of your urban garden largely depends on selecting plants that can adapt to the confined space and unique environment of a bottle. Opt for compact varieties that adapt well to container life. These plants are typically more resilient and can thrive in smaller spaces, making them ideal for bottle gardens. Herbs like basil, mint, and oregano are excellent choices. These herbs not only grow well in confined spaces but also provide fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Their aromatic leaves add flavor to your dishes and attract pollinators. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale also thrive in bottles. These greens are not only nutritious but also grow quickly, providing a steady supply of fresh produce. Cherry tomatoes and chili peppers are perfect for adding a touch of color and spice to your urban garden. These plants are relatively easy to grow and can produce a bountiful harvest in a small space. For a touch of beauty, consider planting vibrant flowers like petunias or marigolds. These flowers not only brighten up your garden but also attract beneficial insects that can help with pollination and pest control. When preparing your bottle garden, ensure you use high-quality soil and provide adequate drainage. This will help your plants thrive and prevent issues like root rot. Position your bottles in a location where they can receive plenty of sunlight. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day to grow well. Regular watering is essential, but be careful not to overwater. The confined space of a bottle can lead to waterlogging if not managed properly. Pruning and regular maintenance will keep your plants healthy and encourage new growth. With the right care, your bottle garden can be a lush, productive oasis in the heart of the city. Section 6. Planting and maintenance nurturing your bottle garden. Planting in your bottle garden is straightforward. Fill the bottle with soil, leaving some space at the top. Gently place your seedling or sow seeds according to the package instructions. Water lightly but thoroughly, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Place your bottle garden in a location that receives ample sunlight. Most plants require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water regularly, especially during warmer months. Fertilize every few weeks with an organic fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Section 7. Creative customization, adding flair to your urban oasis. Let your creativity blossom by customizing your bottle garden. Paint the bottles in vibrant colors, patterns, or themes. Transform them into adorable animal shapes or whimsical characters. Vertical gardens can become living art pieces, adding a splash of green to dull walls. Use twine or colorful yarn to create macrame hangers for your planters. Repurpose old buttons, beads, or broken jewelry as embellishments. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a unique and personalized urban oasis. Section 8. Environmental impact. A sustainable solution for a greener tomorrow. Our planet is drowning in plastic waste. By repurposing plastic bottles, we contribute to a greener tomorrow. Bottle gardens reduce the number of bottles ending up in landfills and oceans. They promote a circular economy where waste is transformed into valuable resources. Moreover, urban gardening reduces our carbon footprint. Locally grown produce minimizes transportation emissions associated with traditional agriculture. It also fosters a deeper connection with nature, encouraging sustainable practices in our daily lives.
Breaking news.
Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the green revolution. Urban gardening with plastic bottles is a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to sustainable living. It's a simple, yet powerful act that transforms our spaces and nurtures our planet. By embracing this innovative approach, we become part of a green revolution, one bottle at a time. So why wait? Gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and embark on your urban gardening adventure today. Experience the joy of growing your own food, beautifying your surroundings, and contributing to a healthier, greener future for generations to come.